All right. So in the last video, we talked about serverless, Netlify, Vercel, and other stuff. And in this video, we talk about how to export the project, how to download it as a local in a local computer, how to import the project. So this is what we have built, the app called Koala Weather. And this app we can click on sync and export button to download the code to my local computer. I have already downloaded the code. I'm re-downloading, and make sure you unzip the code as in a folder. So now we have the code here inside my folder. Click on the button, refresh it once more. Okay, now here you have option import folder. Okay, on the home page of your uh, uh, xbash, you click on import folder, and on this you just choose your project. Let's say, what was my last project name? I'm going to rename it once. I'm going to say Koala Weather app. Okay, app. Now I click on import folder. I come to the Koala Weather app folder and click on upload. And once the project is uploaded successfully, it will load the URL. And if it is not uploading the workbench, you come here and press the enter, which will upload your project here. Okay, now as you can see, all the files are uploaded in the workbench, and the Koala app will run. Okay, so Koala Weather app is running successfully, and that's how you import the existing project from your uh, local computer. And the sync feature of sync files means when you just going to choose a project like Koala Weather app, it is going to update the files from your local computer to here. Okay, so it is going to sync all the files from your local computer to your workbench. All right, now I'm going to update a couple of things. Let's say update the theme feature, which is not working right now. So I'm going to say, please fix the theme button, which is not working as it should be. Okay, so now you will understand how to work on existing project. Every time when you are just working on a project, you should either push the code to the GitHub or download the project in your local computer, so you will not lose your code and you can rework on the project once again. Okay, so in this case, we have downloaded the project in local computer. Now we have re-imported the project, and now I'm asking to fix the issue in my existing project. So we deployed the project on Netlify, we deployed the project on Vercel, on these two different links, as you can see here. Okay, these two links, this is on netlify.app and this is on vercel.app. When you come back here, we have fixed the dark mode and the light mode theme option in the app. See, this is working perfectly fine. This is the light mode, this is the dark mode. And now if I will just push the code again to GitHub, and in my weather app, push to GitHub, overwrite, I will say theme option fixed. This message can be anything. Okay, just make sure this is a new message every time. And when you come here on the deployment option, it will be redeployed automatically on your Vercel. This is my Vercel project right now. As you can see here, the theme option is not working. We will just wait few seconds because the redeployment is being must be being done or something. I will refresh the project once again. And if I'll click on this, you see the theme has started working because it has been redeployed automatically on the Vercel. And you come to the Netlify, I'm sure it must work also. Right now, this is not working because I think this is not redeployed yet. And we will come back to the production deployments, theme option fixed. It has been published already. I will just open the redeployment and see, this is working on Netlify app also. So on the Netlify and on the Vercel, we have redeployed the project after importing the project from the local folder and by repushing to the GitHub. This is how you actually work on your existing projects using import and export feature of xBesh. In the next video, I will show you how to import from GitHub and how to save your like files from GitHub to other servers, and how to solve errors and fix errors and how to fix them in the real time. All right, see you on the next video. Thank you so much.